Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font size of a document on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got started using ClickUp and you want to go ahead and change the font size. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Okay, first, let's go ahead and open up a document. And there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead about doing this. But one way to do it is to actually expand your page by clicking on this button. And then this sidebar here is going to appear. So with this sidebar, you could actually change the fonts. You can change the font size from normal, small to large. You could also change the page width as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the font size of a document on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.